Hi there. I'm helping my 4-H club put supplies together to help some people in our community.
4-H? What's that?
It's so much fun. We do a bunch of different things. Hang on, it's just easier to show you.
Wow! There is so much to do.
Well, it is the largest youth development program in the country, and there are more than 200 projects you can do.
The Cooperative Extension Service offers 4-H programs in every county.
She's my county extension agent. She's always putting on events and running programs and doing things with us.
It's not just about putting on events. I like to give kids opportunities to develop and grow, like how you build your skills in photography.
I won first place with my photos.
How did you learn to do that?
I've been doing it for a few years, and I learned along the way. We keep records of our goals and what we learn and give demonstrations to help other people learn.
We call that mastery. Kids build confidence as they build their skills.
That project looks like so much fun. I want to learn more about taking photos.
It's fun, but it isn't about the photos or even about the competition, but how I change over the years. For example, I know public speaking can be so hard, but 4-H gives me lots of fun ways to practice, so I feel more comfortable with it. I can talk to adults, and I even teach younger kids.
When kids do hands-on activities, they gain practical life skills like critical thinking, problem solving, and ways to manage their time.
When my family and I traveled to district contests, I met new 4-Hers from other counties and learned about some of the other 20 contests in different areas. We even stayed overnight.
I've never stayed overnight before.
You should come with me to our leadership camp.
What makes camp leadership camp?
We sleep in the dorms and do lots of fun activities, and older 4-Hers teach the workshops. My dad chaperoned the year I had a workshop on rocketry.
Belonging and independence are essential elements of 4-H.
I love being a volunteer leader. We receive training to make sure 4-H is safe and includes everyone.
How would I fit in? What if I don't know anybody in the program?
At club meetings, we get to know each other and do things together. We make decisions as a group, and we learn to respect each other.
What kinds of decisions are kids making?
We decide what service learning projects we want to do, or how we plan events. Officers run the meeting, and everyone has a say. We learn how to get things done.
Kids learn generosity as they think of others and when they serve their communities.
So, where do the 4-H's come in?
Head, heart, hands, and health. 4-Hers work to make the best better every time we say the pledge. I pledge my head to clearer thinking, my heart to greater loyalty, my hands to larger service, and my health to better living. For my club, my community, my country, and my world.
I'm sold. How do I sign up?
Call your county extension office or search Join 4-H on the web.
Come on, I'll help you.
Oh, I've got to get this.